10 benefits of eating blackberries. There are several benefits to eating blackberries. Blackberries are good food to fight illness, prevent swelling and improve health thanks to the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. There are many reasons why everyone should eat blackberries. In this video, we will discuss 10 of the great health benefits of blackberries. Blackberries are a delicious fruit with a small, juicy appearance. It is estimated that there are about 300 varieties in the world, and it is very common in warm places such as Asia, Africa, and the United States. Due to its flavor and versatility, it is used as an ingredient in various recipes such as desserts, cakes, and smoothies, and its nutritional value is highly evaluated. The main components are vitamin C and vitamin E, which have antioxidant effects, and anthocyanins, which are anti-inflammatory pigments. Benefits of eating blackberries. Number 1. Improve cardiovascular health. Thanks to its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, blackberries are a strong ally for cardiovascular health. Therefore, it is not surprising that eating blackberries can provide care that includes the minimal cells of the heart and other cardiovascular systems. In addition, studies have shown that eating blackberries as part of a balanced diet can help lower high cholesterol levels. It also contains a large amount of iron, which is an essential compound for the production of hemoglobin in the blood. This increases the ability to carry oxygen to the cells in the body. In addition, blackberries provide magnesium, manganese, and especially potassium, which is a good ally for controlling blood pressure. Number 2. Reduce the risk of stroke. Following the benefits of blackberries to the circulatory system, it is also said to help reduce the risk of stroke. This is because blackberries contain an antioxidant called resveratrol, which plays a major role in preventing damage to the vascular system. Number 3. Promote digestion. Blackberries, which contain dietary fiber and nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin B6, niacin, and riboflavin, help improve the digestive process. These nutrients have the property of facilitating the breakdown of indigestible substances such as proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and are also rich in dietary fiber, which help clean the intestines and large intestine and prevents constipation. Number 4. Strengthen immunity. It is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and helps to increase the body's defenses and prevent illnesses and infectious diseases. Blackberries are also recommended to prevent respiratory illnesses such as the flu, colds, and asthma. Number 5. Prevent premature aging. The antioxidant effects of vitamin C, vitamin E, and anthocyanins are essential to stop the oxidative damage caused by free radicals, and because blackberries supply these vitamins, they contribute to some extent to skin health and prevention of premature aging. Number 6. Prevent cancer. Since it has antioxidant activity, it is considered as a food that can be expected to have anti-cancer activity. Ingredients such as anthocyanins, resveratrol, vitamins A, C, and E are thought to be effective in suppressing the growth of various types of malignant cells. Number 7. Protect your eyesight. Good or bad eyesight depends on many factors and habits, but regular intake of blackberries may help protect your eyesight from illness. It helps maintain the health of the retina and prevent UV damage. Number 8. Adjust blood pH. Blackberries contain alkaline minerals which regulate the pH of the blood to promote remineralization of the body and are effective for people with an acidic constitution. Number 9. Fight swelling. Blackberries are a fruit that has anti-inflammatory and mineral supplements as well as diuretic properties, so you can deal with fluid retention in a natural way. Number 10. May have a positive effect on patients with arthritis. Again, due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, experts believe that blackberries can help alleviate some symptoms of arthritis and are recommended to be incorporated into the patient's diet. It is also hypothesized that joint damage can be reduced. Blackberries are recommended to be taken raw, but can also be enjoyed in juices, smoothies, salads, jams, jellies, and even in recipes for a variety of sweets. You can use it as you like. The important thing is to include different kinds of fruits in your daily diet.